I love it.
Do you love it?
I love this. You look so nice driving this. I like the interior.
You make fun of Earth in style.
Hey, you're already changing your license plate?
Yeah, I didn't like that one.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
It's so quiet. Like a, it's
I
like
think
a
it's
ice
blue
white.
white. Yeah, it has like, do you see the sparkle a little bit?
Yeah. I like that a lot. It's so sporty.
Okay, and my insurance actually went down.
Okay, let's get in. Here's today's test drive.
The blind spots are pretty good.
Yeah.
Like, because I think I was so used to a coupe, a two-door. But now that I have the back window, it's a lot nicer because it's easier to see out the back, literally.
Yeah. I like how the interior is brown.
Yeah. There she is. She's so cute.
Hello.
I know you guys gotta go soon, but you know, like this is just preview for tomorrow.
Yeah, for tomorrow, just a little taste.
hours of material, you know. Do you have a
Yes.
reverse camera thing in the back view or
Yes.
the mirror?
So cool.
You sold me on this car the moment you pulled up.
Yes. Can you guys hear it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, dang, dude!
It started?
It started. Yeah, and that's the reverse noise. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. The same thing once I get there because I haven't done it.
Yeah, do it. It's really
Wow, I can see why you guys are together. These two are creating new Yelp accounts to get some free food.
Free entree.
Free
Yeah.
entree from Rubio's.
Save some money.
She's so cute. Like, I just want to put her in my pocket.
I'll go in the back.
Oh yeah. Do you want to drive it? Here.
Oh, yeah.
Watch keyless entry.
Ooh.
Yes. Check that out, Tesla. Oh.
Damn.
I think I have to do this now. And it's on.
Drink over there.
Wow.
Ta-da.
It makes like no noise.
I know. It's crazy.
It's so quiet. Oh, that's reverse?
Mhm.
Oh, I just do that and it.
And it goes back to that sound. I like that the ding ding's not that loud.
Uh-huh.
Because then it would be annoying.
And then.
Like Delia's Prius.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Just
Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Whoa.
right? It's such
Yeah.
a smooth drive.
Yeah, this seems like a me kind of car. You know?
What does that mean?
It's like, this is like an everyday car.
Yeah. It's like a daily for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should put it in sport.
Oh yeah? Like that? Oh, it just got fast.
Yeah.
Damn, it's like.
Now you can hear. And then to go to normal, you just press on the knob itself. Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, the
the
shade,
shade.
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like
Because
how
I'm
they're
sitting so low.
Well, they want you to still be able to see the road.
Yeah. Like completely blocks your vision.
Uh-huh.
She has like this much view.
Okay.
Work?
So, this?
Yeah.
I don't have to.
No.
No, push that.
Okay.
That's it.
And press power to
And
turn it off.
power again.
That's it.
Okay.
We're done. So, sold?
I mean, it's a fun little car.